Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Furnace. Does your furnace suck? Mine sucks. Sucks all my money. Throws it up in the air. This furnace sucks. We're gonna fix you up. We'll tell you how to have a furnace that doesn't suck. Wait till we're done with you, we'll straighten things out. Tell you what, my furnace sucks so bad, I'm getting tired of this thing. It ain't right. I'll tell you, this thing ain't right. You know what it wants me to do? It wants me to make you want to do it. Ah! We'll fix it one way or another. Oh, yes. You know what this is? This is an old water heater. I gotta take these things off. I'll introduce you. Actually, I'll introduce me. I'm Bob. I got a plan. Help you fix your heating issues.